Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making this simple and easy hairstyle with our kinky hair. To achieve this look, you braid out your hair to the number of braids you want. For me, I made 68 braids. This kinky right here is what we are working with. Separate the kinky, take one, divide it into 4 parts, like the way I'm doing in the video. You can make your own, you can divide yours into 3, 4, 5 or less. For me, I made it into 4 because I want it to be short. I don't want it to be too long. This is the quantity of hair we'll be using. And for this hairstyle, you'll be needing your spoke, your crochet spoke. You need your crochet spoke too, which will enable you to pass the kinky through the braids. For each braid, I did 4 as seen in the video. Watch closely, you understand what I'm saying. This is 1. Didn't start from the tip because it might pull off. Then go for the second one. This is 2. After passing the kinky through the braid, make sure you drag both sides to be sure everything passed through the braid. Then the third one, 3. After passing the kinky, you drag both sides to be sure they are equal, to be sure both sides are equal. Make sure you confirm everything have passed through before you tie. Then the last one, 4. The last one, you pass it under the hair. Confirm if everything has passed through, then you tie. And here is the final look.